coming in from far.
Yeah. But it's got worse. It's got worse than I saw it. And then that is running river. Let's leave that there a minute. That's running water. It's going down there. And that.
That's the thing he was looking at, actually.
No, I know, but he hasn't looked down there, I expect. And that is swirling quite fast, that water. You see how fast it's swirling?
It's coming over the top, isn't it? That's the top, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's coming up from that.
That's the water there, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's overflowing.
Yeah.
That thing's overflowing.
It's running like a river.
There it is.
It's running like a river straight into our house and field.
I think it's running from this one into this one. Look at that. It's
I
coming in.
would be very careful
Oh, let's go see what's going on. Well, it's still loose anyway. There you are, look.
because great, leave that. This.
That's coming from up here. Under here. Coming from under there.
Jesus Christ. I wouldn't aggravate it.
It's coming from this one, running down here.
What is this?
That's the one that's leaking. Yeah, it's right.
It's been doing that for months.
This one is a consequence of that one.
Yeah.
That's the problem. This is just...
And then that's running down into my field. Under my house for months. Watch it, you see. It's coming up from the bottom.
Yeah, it is. It's coming from the bottom. It's just that that thing must be just leading that way a bit.
The hedge, my garden.
It's not rain water.
No,
It hasn't had
it's
nowhere near enough to do that.
And then this is my field. To fence it all off from the horses. Wrecked. The grazing's all wrecked. Field's like a swamp with surface water. Horses have all had to come in. This is a track that has been hard surfaced in the past. Absolutely never floods ever. Had to get in tons of tarmac. So it's flooded. To get someone to spread it. Field. Had to stop all the gateways filling with water and mud this week. And then what we find is we have a gully in our fields, but usually in the winter, when it's out in January or February, it might look a bit like this. It's been like this all summer. slowly getting worse. And then we get to this gateway, considerable distance away now. This gateway is 2 feet deep, mostly possible. I have livestock I have to get to, and that water is tracking across that field as well. As you can see, there is never standing water on this field. And that's just the outside. And this is actually, if anything, it's a higher point of the land up the top of the field. So this is my winter grazing, which is saturated. Internally, we've noticed cracking on the side of the house nearest the leak, right down the middle of the wall. Even on the windowsill. Water coming in under the front of the house, all the way along the front. As you can see. It's all water damage. Fireplaces crumbling underneath, and we have had a dehumidifier running, pulling out water from putting out 5 gallons a day. Completely wrecked that corner. More cracks. This is above the worst corner. Debris dropping out. Damp coming up in the middle of the house. If we had carpets, we would be looking at having to replace the whole lot. Fairly substantial cracking all on the side of the house of the leak. Room is the biggest concern. This is the top of the fireplace, which is crumbling away, clearly wet downstairs. And we have this sort of cracks appearing, and they're appearing all over the side of this house. Is this room even safe to be in?